Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless gloves design for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish and with knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, most demanding collection, most wearing collection. Fingerless gloves design, beautiful crochet pattern. Very nice, outstanding and beautiful ideas. Some are light colored, some are dark color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety, stylish pattern, beautiful designing, most demanding crochet collection. If you are a computer, mobile, laptop user, so this is very useful for you. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.